bugs and fixing bugs. Soon I saw a pop-up message on my screen from the HR. She said, meet at 5 o'clock on terrace. So we all assembled on terrace at 5. I saw my HR accompanying a handsome guy and walking towards us. I wondered why this guy is coming. He looks good. Soon she introduced that he is Mr. Vivek, a theatre artist, and is here to give a brief idea on conducting a theatre workshop. I thought, theatre workshop? The software engineers? How is it going to matter? She said, trust me, join the workshop, enjoy the benefits. So good evening Toastmaster and dear friends. So I'm here to share my first ever theatre experience with you all today. So as I told, I joined the theatre workshop, and the day of the starting, first day of the day workshop, we all were sitting in a room. He comes in and asks us, what do you all know about theatres? Each one of them present in the room gave their own opinions, what they felt about theatres to them. And then he briefed us. Theatres is something where you perform in front of a large group of audience like you all. And the difference between theatres and film industry is there is no retake in theatres. Whatever happens, happens on spot, and that's it. And the beautiful part of theatres is the way you communicate your message to your audience. And it can be in the form of a poetry, song, dance, or even gestures. That was really impressive. And soon then, we started with the day one rehearsals. What he told us is, imagine this is your stage. He drew a boundary for us and said, keep moving around in the boundary as and when I tell you. Like, for example, if I ask you all to walk, so all of you walk, but in the opposite directions. And then when I ask you to walk faster, you'll have to walk double the speed. And when I ask you to run, you'll have to run, start running. So we continue to do that for an hour or so. At the end of the day one, he asked us, what did you all learn from today's session? Soon we all were blank because learning, we all were just having fun. What did we learn? He said, today you all learn how to relax yourself and how to improve your concentration level. Because as and when I was instructing you guys to walk fast, run, jump, you all were responding to it spontaneously. So that improves your concentration level. It was something nice to understand. As days went, there was one more day of session where we had something called facial expressions. He said, today we'll have facial expressions. When I tell you to smile, you'll all have to smile. When I tell you to cry, you'll all have to have the crying face. So soon when we started, he said cry, we all had a crying face. He said smile, we all had smiling face. He said you need to have a sad face now. We all were sad. That was something nice for some time. And then he said, now you all have to look like a dog. I was standing in the crowd with him, dog. Like a dog you want me to stand in front of the management guys and my co-workers. I cannot do this. Then he said, no option, you will have to become that character. We are like hesitatingly, I was trying my best to involve in it and somehow, avoid him, but he never spared us. He was a very strict teacher. Unless and until I got into the character, became dog, cat, what all he made us to become, maybe a cow, scream loud, all that we started doing. And unless he actually felt I was into the character, he never spared us. So soon at the end of that day, he asked, what did you learn today? I was about to tell him, Vivek, it was a horrible day. How could you make me do all this in front of people? But still, I was not able to tell that to him. I was somewhere happy inside. So then, I was wondering, what is he going to say now? He said, today's activity was to make you guys comfortable, let go yourself, and be the way you are. See, as we grow with the age, we start building walls around us. We will decide, I should behave like this with person A, I should behave like this with person B, what I should talk here, what I should talk there, which is all completely unnecessary sometimes. We have to just be ourselves, open our hearts off and talk to people. And that's why it makes us very comfortable. And that's the very reason when you see a child, it is very happy when compared to we guys. Because we think, calculate, manipulate a lot and we spoil our happiness. And then, it was another day, very crazy day, because he just came in and said, carry your favorite instruments and come today. And we are engineers and managers here. What did we carry? Can anyone guess? No, we carried plate, spoon, cup, pen, stand, what all was there on our desk, and we went there. He said, wow, great, you all have come with nice instruments, so let's have a music section. I said, music section using this? He said, yes, come on, beat on to the tap of 1, 2 to 1 together. When we all used our own stupid instruments together, the music was really pleasant, and that day we understood how important is teamwork. And then we all wrote our own stories together. We made a play out of it and we enacted in front of Vivek. He was very happy. And then he said, we'll present this in front of your company audience. We were like, shit, what is it telling? How can we perform this act in front of a large group of audience? This is not happening. He said, trust me and present, because presentation is very important in whatever you do. However good or bad, you will understand it only when you present it. Because we had no other choice, he was strict, we presented in front of our colleagues. And we all got a lot of appreciation for that. And that day I realized, good or bad, however it is, we'll have to first move forward and present. Only after we present our ideas, we will get to know what is that had to be corrected or how good we were. So from the overall theatre experience, I learned how to improve the concentration level, how important is teamwork, how important is presentation, and how to let go our egos and be fine like a child. And I'm really thankful, grateful and thankful for the Aravana management who gave me an opportunity to be a part of theatre workshop. Thank you.